No, you can back down there. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. Sure. Malunga. Ah, nice. This is my sister-in-law, Joanne. Isn't she a pretty girl? This is the wife of Marvin, my brother that you saw in the very first video when we arrived here. Sweet girl sometimes. Sweet sometimes. But don't y'all try to flirt with her on the videos. Or you can a little bit. She might like it.
This is the way of crab rock. Hindi ka mo mag-away, Sosa.
So Uncle Joe, somebody on YouTube, they asked me a question. They said, is the same guy that your masseuse also your gardener? Because in one video you're raking leaves, another video you're giving me a massage. Well, Uncle Joe is a man of many talents, right? Whatever you need, carpentry. Joe handles everything around here.
You just been there, Robin, you know.
But it's so nice outside right here to sit and eat and relax.
The breeze so nice.
And enjoy eating these crabs right here. You see, Melinda's been very busy. Look at that.
A lot of mess.
Yes. But they're just little small crabs that's caught here locally at the shore. But man, delicious. Of course, I get the bigger ones, right? It's got some nice soup here. It's got beans and what's that, spinach in it, or
Climbing spinach.
yeah, the climbing spinach, and what ground beef and
squash.
Yeah, that's that squash right there. So nice, so delicious. What would you actually call that dish, Melinda?
We call it giniling. Grind beef with the spinach. What we call that one here in Philippines, that ginataang munggo, you know? Ginaanan at ginataan just munggo.
Mungo?
Yeah.
Delicious, that's what it is. Well, it's gonna get dark soon, so I better eat and enjoy this breeze. Go inside, relax for the evening.